Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a game changer in natural hair care that has helped me with massive hair growth. It's a simple DIY recipe that's affordable and all natural. This is the use of rosemary to make rosemary water. I'll be showing you how to make it and how to use it on your hair. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that stimulate hair follicles and also reduce hair thinning. Rosemary is also known to improve circulation in the scalp, which means faster, healthier growth of your hair. Not to mention, it's also great for soothing the scalp and fighting dandruff.